everyone. I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to our channel Agla Same Schools. Today we will be covering chapter 12, that is Heron's formula. So starting with the first exercise, that is 12.1, our first question says a traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A. So we have to find the area of signal board using Heron's formula. So if the perimeter is given to us, that is 180 centimeter, what will be the area of the signal board? So answer is here the sides of a triangle are A and A units. So the semi-perimeter of triangle will be 3A by 2, that is A plus A divided by 2, which will give you 3A divided by 2. Similarly, using Heron's formula, that is area of triangle is root S minus A, S minus B and S minus C will give you root 3A divided by 2. 3A minus 2A divided by 2, 3A minus 2A divided by 2, 3A minus 2A divided by 2. Further solving, we will get A square divided by 4 root 3. So the perimeter of equilateral triangle is 3A. According to the question, 3A is equal to 180 centimeter because this is the perimeter. So A will become as 60 centimeter. So the area of triangle is A square divided by 4 root 3 will give you 900 root 3 centimeter square. Moving further to our question number 2, which says a triangular side walls of a flyover have been used for advertisements. The sides of a wall are 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter. The advertisements yield on earning rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. A company hired one of its wall for 3 months. How much rent did it pay? So the answer is here the sides of a triangle are A, B and C are given to us, that is 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter. So the semi-perimeter, that is S, is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2, which will give you 264 divided by 2, that is 132 meter. So the area of triangle we can find it as by applying the formula, that is S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So applying the values we will get 1320 meter square. Solving further, we will get earning by advertisement in 1 year, that is 5,000 multiplied by 1320, which will give you 66,000,000. And earning by advertisement in 1 month will be 55,000,000. Earning by advertisement in 3 months will be 55,000,000 will be multiplied by 3, that is for 3 months, which will give you 165,000,000. Moving further to our question number 3 says, there is a slide in a park. One of its side wall has been painted in some color with the message, keep the park green and clean. If the sides of a wall are 15 meter, 11 meter and 6 meter, find the area painted in color. So the answer is the sides of a triangle are ABC given to us, that is 15 meter, 11 meter and 6 meter. So we can find it as semi-perimeter of a triangle, that is A plus B plus C divided by 2, which will give you 16 meter. Further solving the area of triangle by applying the Heron's formula, which will give you 20 root 2 meter square. That is the area painted in color. Moving further to question number 4, which says, find the area of triangle, two sides of which are 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter and the perimeter is 42 centimeter. So the answer is sides of a triangle are given to us, that is AB, which is 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter. So perimeter is also given, that is 42 centimeter. So a perimeter of triangle is A plus B plus C. By applying the values of these, we will get C as 14 centimeter. So the semi-perimeter of triangle, that is A plus B plus C divided by 2 is 42 divided by 2, which will give you 21 centimeter. So the area of triangle by applying the formula, that is S minus A, S minus B and S minus C will give you 21 root 11 centimeter as the area of triangle. Further moving to question number 5, it says sides of a triangle are in the ratio of 12, ratio 17, ratio 25 and its perimeter is 540 centimeter. So we have to find its area. So the perimeter of triangle which is given to us, that is 540 centimeter. Ratio of sides of triangle are given, that is 12, 17, 25. So let one of the side of a triangle be 12x, triangle B is 17x, triangle C is 25x. So the perimeter of triangle, that is A plus B plus C, by applying the value we will get x as 10. So sides of a triangle are A, that is 12. 12 into 10 will give you 120. B, that is 17 into 10 will give you 170. C, 25 into 10 will give you 250 centimeter. Further solving, semi-perimeter of triangle, that is A plus B plus C divided by 2 will give you 540 divided by 2, that is 270 centimeter. So again applying the area of triangle, that is root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C will give you 9000 centimeter square. So the area of triangle is 9000 centimeter square. Moving to our sixth and the last question, which says an isosceles triangle has perimeter 30 centimeter and each of the equal side is 12 centimeter. We have to find the area of a triangle. So the answer is the perimeter of triangle which is given to us, that is 30 centimeter. Two sides of triangle, that is B and C, are 12 centimeter and 12 centimeter. And we have to let the third side, that is A centimeter. So by applying the perimeter of triangle formula, we will get A as 6. So the semi-perimeter of triangle, we can find it very easily, that is A plus B plus C divided by 2, which will give you 30 divided by 2, that is 15 centimeter. Moving further, area of triangle, that is root S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. By applying the values, we will get 9 root 15 centimeter square as the area of triangle. So this is all from this exercise, guys. If you have any query or any doubt related to any of the question, please put your query in the comment section below. For regular updates and information, please subscribe to our channel Aglasim Schools. We wish you a safe life and do take care of yourself.